Welcome to Sudoku. I got Philip Newman, Granularly Amassable Sudoral. Granularly Amassable Sudoral. Okay. This is a couple weeks old. Let's go. Normal Sudoku rules apply, and we have thermos. Okay. So normal Sudoku rules 1 to 9 in the row, in the column, and every 3x3 box. And then thermos, everything has to increase from the bulb. So this can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or it can go 2, 3, 4, or it can go 1, 3. It can skip, but it cannot stay the same, and it cannot go backwards. Therefore, a 1 can only be on the bulb on a thermo, and a 9 can only be on the end on a thermo. All right, so let's see what we can do. Okay, down here, we have a 9 in this row, which means that the 9 in this box can only be here. And then the 9 can only be here, which means the 9 can only be here. All right. Now we're getting somewhere. All right, so if the 1 cannot be on this bulb, it would have to be up here, which means this cannot be a 1. So then this is going to be the 1. So down here, the 1 is going to be either there or there. And 1 cannot be here, so the only option in the box is going to be on the bulb. Oh, 1. Okay. So then where's the 1 on this box and column? It's going to be there. Okay. All right, so the 8 cannot be here. So then that means the 8 has to go down here. Since the thermometer can only go up, this cannot be an 8, so this cannot be a 7, 7, 9. Actually, yeah, no, it could be a 6, 7, 9, but it cannot be a 7, 8, 9 because of that. And it cannot be a 7, 7, 9 because that's not how it works. So I have a 1. 2 can go either here or here. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, so then interesting. So 2 can either go here or here. 2, 3, okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so this is going to be a 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to go like that. Okay. And then this is whatever is not on the line. Okay, I don't know if that's going to be helpful or hurtful. We shall see. All right, oh, I can pencil mark 8s up here. Oh, that's going to be an 8, 9 pair. Okay, so then the 1s are going to go here. All right, so then we know that the 2 is going to be over here, because it can't go here. This could be a 3, but so could these. 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so the 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Right? Because that can't be an 8. Oh, that can't be a 4, a 3, so this has to be a 4, right? 5, 6, 7. And that's a 2 or 3. So then this becomes a 2, 3, 8. I think. Okay, so this can't be a 4 anymore, so that'll be a 5. So then this is 6, 7, 8. That can't be an 8, so then place the 8 here. So where's the 8 on this column and box? It's going to go here, only option. And then the 7, so this has to be a 7. So then this becomes a 2, 3 pair with that. And then that's a 2, 3 pair, so this cannot be a 3, so it'll be a 4. Which puts the 4 over here. This is going to be a 4, 5, so it has to go 4, 5, and then that would be a 6, because there's only one option between 5 and 6. So then this becomes a 2, 3 pair as well. Then this is going to be a 7. All right, here we go. We're getting somewhere. So this can't be a 1. Could be a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this would have to be 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we can do. 3, 8, 9. Okay, so then this has to be a 9. This cannot be a 5. Okay, so then the 9 will go here or here. All right. Huh. So this is going to be a 1, 2, 7 triple based off of the row. So that's not going to be a 7. 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll just pencil mark it just to get it out of the way. But that might be a bad idea. So no 7's going to go down here. Ooh, your boy is tired. 9 and 9, so then that'll be 9s. Okay, can I figure out this one? 6, 7. Okay, so we're just gonna pencil mark everything. 1, 2, 2. Okay, so then this cannot be an 8. These cannot have 5s. Okay, so this, if that's the highest is 4, this cannot be a 4, which means this cannot be a 3. So that becomes a little 1, 2, 3 triple, and that makes that a 4. I think it might, but this is a 4, 6 pair right here, actually. So this would be a 3. That'll be a 7. So I can move that 7. Then this becomes an 8, 9. I think. So then 2, 1. And then we have a 5, 6, 4, 5. So that's not a 7. So this will be a 7. That becomes a 2, 1. I think. All right, so then this is also a 2, which places that as a 2, 3. This is a 1. This is a 3, 4, 5 triple. This cannot be a 3 anymore. If that's a 4, 6, then this is a 2. That's an 8. Okay, what do we see? 8 are there. One, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7. Okay. What do we need? 7s. Okay. 2, 3 works there. 2, 3 works there. 4, 6 both work there. 3, 4. 4, 6. 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, those are all still active, looks like. But 7s are going to go up here. So is that no 1, 7 pair? That's a 1, 7. Wait, not necessarily. Actually, yeah, because this can only be a 3, 4, 5. So then this cannot be a 7 anymore, which means this cannot be a 6. So it's going to be a 4. So that'll be a 6, 5, 4. So this has to be a 3, which makes this a 5. That's going to be a 6. Okay. That's making sense at the moment. I think. Okay, where's the So the 9s are going to be pencil marked here. 9, 8, 7. Actually, this is going to be a 6, 8 pair. So then this becomes a 9. So then those are not 6s. Whoops. Or 5s because the 5's already up there. Okay, so then that's going to be a 5, 6, and we can place that. I didn't see that. Like a dummy. So then this is a 5, which puts this as a 3, 7 pair. So 3 goes there, 7 here. Then so that'll be a 1, 7, which places a 1 there. So now the 1s are done. 7 there. 7s are done. What do we need here? We need a 4, 3, 4. So 4 there, 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Let's pencil mark some 5s. 4, 5. 6s are in the corners. 8s. This is a 9. That's a 6. 4, 5, 8. So then this will be a 6. That's an 8. This is now, all right. Let's just be, hang on. That's going to be an 8, 9. So that'll be 5, 4, 8, which puts 5 here. 2, 3. This is a 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, which places this as a 6. Let's finish up there. 3, 2, and the last one, but not least, is a 2. All right, 1129. I'll take it. That was good. I love thermometer puzzles. I'm a big fan of thermometers. Love them.